Section 8, Skill Personalization. In this section, we will learn the concept of skill personalization in Alexa. How skill personalization is accomplished in Alexa, the rules and restrictions related to skill personalization, how to create voice profiles. We learn how to build a skill that uses skill personalization, and finally, we will check out the scope and prospects for skill personalization in Alexa. Video 8.1. What is skill personalization? In this video, we will learn the concept of skill personalization in Alexa, how skill personalization is accomplished in Alexa, and finally, the rules and restrictions related to skill personalization. Have you ever tried the Alexa skill for Uber? Let us assume that a person called John uses this skill. For this skill to work as designed, John has to link his Uber account in the Alexa app. So, when John says, Alexa, book me an Uber, Alexa automatically books a taxi under his account. However, in John's house, there could be more than one household member, sometimes maybe even 5 or more. Let us consider a situation where John's mom, Martha, wants to book a taxi. So she requests Alexa to do the job for her. The taxi is booked, but unfortunately, it has been booked under John's account instead of his mom's account. If Martha wants to book an Uber through her account, she must manually go to the Alexa app and switch John's account with her account. In this way, Martha can have Alexa book the taxi in her account. This seems like a tedious process to do every time we want to book a cab in a different account, right? But what if Alexa can automatically recognize if the speaker is John or Martha and switch to the right account without requiring any manual intervention? Wouldn't that be awesome? Yes, it is possible. It can be achieved with the help of skill personalization. In short, the fundamental purpose of skill personalization is to provide personalized responses to users. Still confused? Don't worry. Before we take a deep dive to see how the skill personalization works, let's see a few use cases that would help you appreciate the full range of what the skill personalization feature is capable of. Use case 1. Consider a fitness skill that is built to provide fitness tips to its users. If Casey asks for a fitness tip, she gets a customized one based on her preferences. And likewise, John gets a different one. So, this fitness skill can personalize fitness tips for each of its users. Use case 2. A horoscope skill that gives his or her horoscope reading to the user. If Casey asks, what is my horoscope for the day? Alexa automatically recognizes her voice and provides a suitable response as per Casey's sign. Similarly for John. There are many other scenarios where skill personalization might come in handy. With this feature, customers can engage more naturally and the need for switching between accounts manually is zero. Imagine John says, Hi Alexa, and Alexa responds back by saying, Hi John, welcome back. What can I do for you? Notice Alexa did not ask for the user's name. It automatically recognized John. Similarly, if Casey says, Hi Alexa, Alexa replies back with, Hi Casey, what can I do for you? Skill personalization gives personalized experiences to users based on their likes, dislikes, account information, etc. These types of conversations make it more exciting and fun for the users because it gives the users a feeling that they are talking to a well-known friend. Adding the skill personalization feature in your skill will take the user experience up by several notches. But whenever you create a skill supporting personalization, you have to abide by a set of specific rules and restrictions. Your skill should have a privacy policy that you must submit at the time of publishing your skill. If your skill is directed at children under the age of 13, then skill personalization cannot be used with your skill. A user can anytime opt in or opt out of the skill personalization option. Thus, your skill should be designed in a way such that it also supports generic user interaction. And the most important, skill personalization should not be used as an authentication tool. This is because sometimes, due to surrounding noises or due to many other such reasons, Alexa might not be able to recognize the user's voice. In such cases, Alexa considers the user to be a generic and executes the command through the default registered account. Now that we understand what skill personalization is, it leaves us wondering how Alexa can differentiate between the users. So let's talk about that now. Every time a request has been made, the JSON input includes a user object that contains a user ID value in addition to the request object. The user ID contains a string of characters unique to the account linked to enable the skill. But if Alexa recognizes a user's voice, then in addition to the user object, a person object is also generated. It contains a value called person ID. This person ID is unique to every user. Thus, Alexa uses this person ID value to differentiate between different users to provide an overall customized experience. If you recall the Uber skill, in addition to differentiating between the user speaking, Alexa also has to book the cab under the correct user's account. That is, Alexa has to map the user speaking with the respective Uber account and book a cab. In such cases, in addition to a person ID in the person object, a value called access token is also generated, which is kind of like an encrypted key to access your account. Alexa uses this person ID to differentiate between the users and uses the access token for accessing their account information. So, when Alexa does not recognize your user's voice, only the user object with the user ID value is generated, thus making Alexa consider the person speaking as a generic user and executes commands under the default account. But the most crucial question is, how can I make Alexa remember my voice? Well, that is a question that will be answered in the next video. Video summary. In this video, we learned the concept of skill personalization in Alexa, how skill personalization is accomplished in Alexa, and the rules and restrictions related to skill personalization. In the next video, we will learn about voice profiles.